why the illiterates are rich and the literates are working for them. That is the question, serious question we're going to answer today. Please, I want you to hold your ear. Hold your ear. Please hold your ear. No one is illiterate as long as that person is doing something. Okay? So when you say that somebody is illiterate, feel like that person doesn't know anything. Okay? Someone might be academically illiterate, but doesn't make that person economically illiterate. Okay, so when you are calling somebody that when you see a business person, who is wealthy but doesn't speak good English, okay, and you are calling that person illiterate, you are wrong. Because if you are calling the person illiterate, the person can also call you illiterate because you might also be illiterate too. He might be academically illiterate. And you yourself, you might also be economically illiterate. Okay? You might be illiterate economically. That is why you are poor. No matter your academic qualification, you are still poor. So that means you don't have the literacy to make money. But the man that you are calling illiterate has the acumen to make money. That is why he's rich. You get what I'm saying? So you are in school. Gaining academic knowledge. And he is in his business place gaining economic knowledge. How to make money. He's gaining connections to make money. Avenues to make money. Doors are opening for him to make money. And you are in school, you are acquiring academic knowledge. Okay? So both of you are acquiring something. At the end of the day, you are literate in your field. None of you has the right to call the other illiterate. Do you get what I'm saying? This is so important. A lot of first class brains I know don't know nothing about business. They know nothing about money making. That's why you see first class working for the so-called illiterate billionaires. They hire first class brains to work for them. You see what I'm saying? Now listen. My advice to those that are wealthy, because I wonder, you see, I wonder why some extremely wealthy people should not go back to school. You see somebody is so wealthy, but he is academically illiterate. And he doesn't even see reasons why he should go back to school. I don't know. He already has chains of businesses, people working for him, that he should have enough time to relax and go back to school and gain some more knowledge. He doesn't do that. Many of them don't do that. Some do, but a lot of extremely wealthy people I know that are not educated, as in academically educated, they don't go back to school. So I would advise them to go back to school, to learn, because knowledge is power. So important. Even though they have acquired their own knowledge, they might think that they already have knowledge that they need, but that academic knowledge will also be quite helpful to them. Then if you are academically literate, you have to learn how to make money. And if you are smart enough, you learn it when you are still in school. You don't have to wait till you graduate before you start learning how to make money. You learn how to make money when you are still in school, because if you are a smart student, if you apply your smartness to making money, you are surely going to make much more money than someone who is not as smart as you are. Do you get me? But the problem is that your brain is already conditioned to concentrate more on the academics. And you are hoping to get a job when you are done. That is a big problem. You are hoping that when you are done, you get a job. And it's a big problem here. The job cannot make you no job has ever made anybody a billionaire. How can you get employed and you're hoping to become a billionaire? How? And you're so smart to be a billionaire. But if you start on time when you are still in school to learn skills, apply smart method to make money with the skill while you are still in school, by the time you graduate, you would have started making millions. Okay? Then you apply all the strategy necessary with your smart brain, you will make billions. You see what I'm saying? So, if you are economically literate, please be academically literate. If you are academically literate, be economically literate. Both are so important for survival. I wish you good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And please subscribe, share this video to force people that are thinking that they are intelligent in school, but they don't know how to make money, to understand that they are failing in one part. And also share it to billionaires out there that are not educated. It might also motivate them to work hard, to be educated. Wish you good luck. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you have not done so. It will really help me a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Then if you have any question, you drop it in the comment section. Okay, I will appreciate it. Then if you want to reach me, you're going to see my contact in the description. Okay, I dropped a contact in the description in case if you want to chat me. Okay, you can chat me on WhatsApp to the contact. Then my website is also in the description in case if you want to get to my website to see what I have to offer. Because I teach all kinds of ICT skills with other professionals, right? That you can benefit from it if you want to learn a skill. Thank you so much.